Hi guys and welcome to the trade analysis video for today. So this is one of a string trade what I have done on this particular chart setup, and you can see on the screen where I have bought and where I have sold and what is the profit I was able to make. So I have bought around 519 quantities with worth of almost 10 lakh in this particular stock around this level, that is around 1925 somewhere over here. Okay, so as you can see on the chart, this is a P&L report. So this is where I have bought, and after buying, I have kept up to 5% target of the stock price, that is around 2020. So this was the target what I have kept. Okay, and you can see here almost 1 is to 3 risk reward ratio was followed. The stop loss was somewhere close to 1900. Okay, so entry price was 1925 and the target was 5%, which was around 2020. Okay, so as you guys can see in the P&L report, my target has been hit. Almost 50,000 rupees profit is what I was able to make on this particular swing trade what I have done. Okay, so now let me quickly show you a bit of analysis on how I have traded on this particular chart setup, what you can see on your screen right now. Okay, so guys, yes, so this was the trade what I've taken, and you can see here the price was constantly going up in this particular chart, and this was trading in this particular range bound from almost from April to June. It was consolidating in this price range. Okay, so what happened on June ending is that we can see a big volume breakout just happened on this breakout. Okay, so this price consolidation gave a breakout with a big volume of buyers, and after seeing this, I just bought it on the next day once the price started to hold above this resistance level breakout. And after this, I bought it and I kept 5% target, and my target was achieved. And you can see here, if the price has gone below this low point of this support level, then we might have seen the price go down. Okay, so but we got a breakout on the upper side, and according to my analysis, I have traded without any indicators, and this is how the price has performed. Okay, so I'm a trader with 10 years plus of experience, and if you guys are willing to improve your trading knowledge and skills from my experience, you can contact on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen for more educational details and learn more skills and education knowledge from my side. Okay, and after going 2020, the stock price has gone up till 2043 almost, and from there the price has been rejected again. I mean, the resistance has been taken, or the profit booking is also happened here, and from there you can see the price has come down. Now you can see the lowest point, recent lowest point what this stock has touched is somewhere around here, around 1880, and from there now it is giving a bit of a retracement on this particular chart. So this is what I can see in this particular chart right now, and this is how I analyzed my trade in a very simplified way without any indicators. Okay, so this was the entry, this was the exit, so you can see the P&L report on your screen. And if you guys are willing to learn the knowledge from me, you can connect with me today. So I thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you guys in the next one very soon.